Not sure how to use your LG AC remote? Model number AKB75735404. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off orange button is used to power your LG AC. Press it once to turn the AC on using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The Air Purify button activates the AC's built-in air purification system, which helps remove dust, allergens, and other particles from the air, ensuring cleaner and fresher indoor air quality. Press the Air Purify button for 3 seconds to activate the LED display mode, which turns the indoor unit's front display light on or off for convenience. The vane angle button adjusts the vertical airflow direction by changing the angle of the air vanes, allowing you to control whether the cool or warm air is directed upward, downward. The airflow button controls the horizontal direction of the airflow, adjusting the side-to-side movement of the air vanes to distribute air evenly across the room. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need: cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature, perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling, great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling, ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode, it warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode, the AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the jet mode button to activate powerful fast cooling or heating, running the AC at maximum fan speed for quick temperature adjustment. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Press the function button and opens up extra features like energy saver, comfort air, room temperature. Depending on your model, it gives you quick access to smart functions for better control and comfort. Press and hold the function button for about 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press is first to use the on timer to set a specific time for your AC to automatically turn on. Each press lets you adjust the hours and minutes until your desired start time is set. Use the off timer to set a time for your AC to automatically turn off, perfect for saving energy while you sleep or when you leave the room. Set or clear button is used to confirm or cancel settings like the timer or special modes. After adjusting any feature, press this button to lock it in or exit without saving. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. If your LG AC remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Now you know what every button on your LG AC remote does. Simple, smart, and super cool. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.